Alright, YouTube, Kiwis here. We have Matt Phillips and Patrick Akramovich, Akram093. Subscribe to the channel, por favor. And we have Windup versus Rabbit. So let's see what happens. Normally Rabbit is a very difficult matchup for Windup, so
yeah,
this is going to be interesting.
Joe, what are you talking about? Go.
Can he loop? Maybe.
Okay.
Go ahead. Sure.
Check.
Fine.
This is looking very downhill for Matt Phillips already.
No, not quite.
Go.
See. Here's the loop. Kidding. Go.
You almost got me there. Deck. Magician.
99.64.
Just what I thought.
Pro reads. Not really.
1,000. Okay.
That's for Olivia. I just bought James.
Go.
Battle phase.
Sure. My card.
Attack.
What do you think I'm good at Yu-Gi-Oh?
Set. Your turn.
Oh my god.
Priority on the card.
Fine.
Change your
Fine.
Shoot.
See, might as well. But unfortunately, I have to reveal mine first.
I'm gonna get a tour guide. How many cards do you have in your hand?
2.
Attack for 19?
Sure.
Attack for 19?
Say hello to the chairman and organizer. Say hi. Hi, Steve. How you doing?
What crazy ass dice are you using that have a hook on them?
That would be a 6.
What?
It is a pirate die.
Were you guys like playing? What's that build a ship game?
That is a fun game.
You guys bought that stuff?
Long time ago, maybe when I was
The
10.
Pirates of the. Oh my god.
When I was 10, yeah, they used to have a pirate ship game.
Oh, I know. The one where you buy the pack and you put the ship together.
Yes.
And it came with a little die that was about that big.
Yes. It was
I was
awesome.
thinking, okay.
That's what I would expect to see a dice poop out.
Whee!
Whee! Go.
Uh-oh.
Should have just gone for game.
Fuck.
It is 417. Work.
Go ahead.
Fact.
Ah.
Shoot.
Duh.
Womp womp. Aw, game 1. Akram093 with Dino Rabbit.
You become so small.